Stephanie with BeachBliss Honeymoons and Destination Weddings. I'm here in beautiful Huatulco, Mexico at Secrets Huatulco. It's an adult-only, all-inclusive resort. I've been here for a couple of days and I'm excited to let you check out my room. I'm starting from the balcony this time, just for a new twist. This view is pretty darn spectacular. The room category that I'm in is a preferred club junior suite oceanfront, and as you can see, this is your oceanfront view. You can probably even hear the ocean waves on the video, but it's really fantastic that even inside the room with the sliding glass door closed, I've been able to hear the waves crashing against the shore. So let's take a look around the room real quick. I've been here for a few days, so I've moved in. Pardon any of my personal belongings. Let's take a quick look around. It's really spacious. There's a nice little sofa here with a coffee table. I have a king-size bed. Let's swing around this way. Let you check out the flat screen TV. Got a nice little workstation countertop. There's a mini fridge. Because I'm Preferred Club, I also get some special snacks. They restock this daily. I've got little Coronas, some Diet Coke, water, soda, and again, some snacks. They do obviously housekeeping every morning, and then there's turn down service at night. The fun thing, every evening there's been a fun surprise with different designs of rose petals on the bed. Obviously the room is air conditioned. It also has a ceiling fan. It's got a double vanity here in the foyer area. Because I'm traveling by myself this week, I've been able to spread out and make use of all that space. I'll show you kind of a cool feature. In the bathroom here, it's got a rain shower head, as well as a regular shower head, and a jacuzzi tub. And then in just a minute, actually let's try this right now. I'm going to step in and show you that you can actually pull the slider open and have a view of the ocean while you have your jacuzzi or your shower. How's that for some natural lighting from the shower? Okay, so it's really open air. Love that concept. There's a toilet room separately, and then there is a closet with slippers, ironing board, iron. And then you'll also find a safe, electronic safe, ice bucket. Here at Secrets, they have what they call the magic box. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a door there. And if you order room service, they actually deliver your room service there through that door. Same goes when you're finished with your dishes. You can leave them there on the shelf, and they'll pick them up when you're finished, which is kind of nice. They don't have to actually distribute you. All right. One more quick look around. Again, thanks for bearing with me since I've already moved in for the week, but I just wanted to give you a quick tour of my room. All the rooms here, there are 399 total, are ocean view or ocean front. So you really can't go wrong, and you're definitely not going to miss out on this fantastic view. Again, it's Secrets Huatulco, Mexico. I'm Stephanie with BeachBliss Honeymoons and Destination Weddings. I can't wait to help you book your trip to come and see this place. It's absolutely fabulous.